Hello and welcome. My name is Matt, and today we're going to be talking about the addiction cycle and why it matters to your recovery. Having an understanding of the addiction cycle helps to identify ways we can make small changes in life that will help to maintain long-term recovery. Let's take a quick look at the cycle. There is no start or end to this process, but for the purpose of today, we'll begin with discussing the emotional trigger. Emotional triggers are individualized, and there are many different types. Frustration, anger, and sadness may certainly contribute to the desire to feel better. But other triggers, such as hearing a song you associate with using, or being around a certain place, may also be a trigger. It could be that you associate substance use with celebrating and good times. The important thing here to remember is to identify your own unique triggers. It could be boredom or being around a certain person. If you identify these triggers, this is an area where you can make a change in your life. If you know a certain emotion is tied to using, identify this early and have a plan in place for what you'll do when that emotion arises. If it's a certain person or place, try to avoid them. And if you can't, then make a plan to have a sober buddy with you when you have to be around them. Medically, there are options for cravings. Medications may help those with alcohol, cocaine, tobacco, or opioid use disorders. It's important to remember that cravings are often subconscious, and we may not even realize we're having them. That's why it's really important to identify the triggers and the ritual behaviors that follow a craving. We'll be discussing ritual and the rest of the addiction cycle in the next video, so stay tuned.